Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is a ListView widget in Flutter. As you know, list is a set of values and here it contains a small app bar, and in it here we can see a title, and here I'm going to add a set of values. So let me show you. Let me change its title to basic list view, and I'm going to use a property called body, and inside body I'm going to add a set of values. So I'm going to use a widget called ListView. In this I'm using a property called children, and inside the square brackets you can add any type of values, but for now I'm adding text values. So I'm using a text widget. Inside this I'm going to add a value person, comma, let me copy this, paste it up and paste it again. So here I'm going to change its values to email and to phone. In this widget I have added just 3 values. Let me run and show you. So here is the list of values. So you can also add icons before this text. So to add icons we have to use a property called list tile. Let me show you that. So here type list tile, and I'm going to copy this inside list tile widget. So to add any icon before text we have to add a property called leading. And here I am going to add an icon, person icon, for the person text. Let me delete these text values, and I'm going to add icons for this text. So if you see, the icon have added before the text, and let me show you some more examples. Just copy this and paste it twice. And here I am just changing this text value, and I am going to change icons. Icon email, and I'm going to change an icon to phone, and also change its text to phone. So here there are 3 icons and 3 text in the text list tile widget. Let me run and show you. You can see in the emulator that icons have added to the list. So you can add any type of icons. Let me add one more icon, which is most common icon, notifications. See here. So this is the way to add list. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share.